Welcome to English with Leanne. Today's phrasal verb is to move on, and I have 3 definitions for us today. Our first definition of to move on is one of the ones that I see used very commonly, and that means to accept a change and be ready for a new experience. This one is often used with relationships. My boyfriend and I broke up a year ago. I'm ready to move on and start dating again. Here, you've accepted the change, your heart has recovered, and you are ready to try dating again. But you can have different changes that you need to accept. And maybe you say, I really wanted that job, but I know it's never going to happen. I need to move on and focus on something new. Okay, here you're accepting that this thing didn't happen, that change isn't possible, and you're going to look at something new. Now that example overlaps with my second definition, which is to actually be starting something new. This can be because you accept it or just because it's time. So for example, you might say, let's move on to the next topic. Or, okay, we finished with that discussion. Let's move on. And you're saying you're ready to start a new discussion. You can also use this when you're talking about jobs and say, I've been working at this company for 10 years. I think I'm ready to move on. And you are talking about moving on to a new company and a new job. But we can also move on physically. Ooh, what do I mean by this? To leave. Someone might say, you need to move on, saying you need to continue. You can't stay standing there. That would be the third definition. So to move on is definitely one of the phrasal verbs that we use a lot in a lot of different situations. So go ahead and try to think of some new examples, some different examples from the ones I gave you, and put them in the comments. Good luck!